all of the networking that you have done with me already. I've never met you. I might never meet you, but I recognize you and chat with you. This is why Dion can appreciate this. When I was a kid and got made fun of for spending more time with my World of Warcraft online friends, I didn't realize I was actually legitimately building a skill of being able to network with people to the point where you develop a friendship, to the point where you develop like a trusting, respectful friendship where I would take advice from somebody or give advice to them, all just by for the Horde, all just by playing World of Warcraft with these people, spending hours of my teenage years not working on getting a girlfriend, but instead raiding and completing quests like a loser. But it built a good skill because I could virtually network. And I really truly think like all of the guys that are watching this right now, and even if you're not commenting, if you're watching, I can't believe I actually have 18 people. 18 people are wasting their time with me. You guys, stop it. You have the ability to network and develop these relationships and friendships. It's very hard if you try to reach out to somebody who's a big content creator. And this isn't their fault, right? I mean, they get inundated with thousands, if not tens of thousands of DMs and emails, and they can't possibly, you just get lost in the sauce. But there's little guys like me. There's people who don't have big channels that you can network with and start to learn from. So that's what I would recommend. So